In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Polizia Di Stato. This is the ransomware type infection that attacks Windows computers and its related files. In fact, it attacks all popular file types. Before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening the files without any complications. People can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other documentation pretty easily. But the point is that this particular ransomware may be injected into the system, and the fact that this ransomware has injected the computer means that the system was poorly protected by the current security software. So pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their data, and the special Polizia extension has been added to the files. People cannot access their files anymore, and the ransomware also changes the desktop background of the attacked computer, and this is the scary message that is given by the ransomware. By the way, it is presented in Italian language. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the ransom that amounts to €250 to decrypt the files, but in reality paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware as soon as possible. So, instead of paying the ransom, we recommend you to remove this ransomware as soon as you can, and we suggest you to do that with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button. Install the application and then begin scanning your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is available both for Windows and Mac computers. After you download and install the software, start the application and begin checking your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and removal. By the way, the program is initially in the trial mode, but it has got certain excellent free features that will optimize the performance of your system. The way the program looks like, click on Start Scan button and begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the contemporary ransomware type threats.